My air conditioner, I just put it in some window air conditioner 8000 BTUs and the filter light won't turn off, it keeps beeping and the filter is clean, I don't know what to do now.
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
It's a GE air conditioner, I clean the filter before I put it in.
How long has this been going on with your GE air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
I just installed it in my bedroom window maybe an hour ago and I tried pushing a reset but that's not working, the red light stays on and it beeping and it keeps shutting the air conditioner off, and I bought it last season.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, that's the only thing I'm having a problem with.
Hi, my name is Tamar. I'm your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please afford me the same patience I will afford you when it comes to responding. I will do my best. Am human, may be in the field, and cannot respond instantaneously. Hope you are doing well today. What's the model number of the unit? Generally, the filter alert is on a time-based alert system, so it doesn't auto-turn off. You actually need to press and hold a filter or reset button, depending on which model you have. Please respond with your further questions. Also, is it cooling still?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.